Hi, my name is Patty Chesler. I'm the CRM manager at Olin Business School. My background is sales and business operations, primarily in telecommunications. I've been supporting Salesforce projects on and off for about 15 years, and I've been working in the higher ed space and in this role for almost 3 years. I'm here today to talk about our event solution and to highlight how we've been able to go farther and faster by utilizing an off-the-shelf product and an implementation partner. And a little bit about our implementation. Our Salesforce CRM platform has been in place for about 3 years and is comprised of Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Experience Cloud, and a host of third-party applications. Prior to Salesforce, data was stored in multiple platforms, Excel files, etc. Our CRM system is used by most departments within the school, including graduate recruitment and admissions, Weston Career Center, corporate relations, and non-degree education. Functionality includes process enablement, email marketing, intake via web-to-case and email-to-case, and events, which is what we're talking about today. At Olin, events are managed by the department that's hosting the event. We have a playbook to guide them, and we provide support as needed. For this reason, it's important for us to have a solution that's easy to use. Our event solution is Blackthorn, which is a native solution for Salesforce. We started talking with Blackthorn in March last year, and we implemented in August. Some of the reasons are highlighted on the right, and several will be mentioned as I walk through the process. As you might expect, the process starts with creating an event. Brand continuity is very important to us. With Blackthorn, we specify our brand colors, font, favicon URL, etc., and it applies to all of our events. This ensures a consistent look and feel. If the target audience includes contacts not in Salesforce, we utilize staging tables to upload the contacts. When the process runs, the uploaded records are deduped against existing leads and contacts, and related records are created as specified. For events, we would minimally include the contact and the related campaign. As folks register, we capture UTM tracking information for source data. That includes campaign, medium, and source. UTM data is very important to understand the impact of our advertising spend. Huron has been instrumental in helping to set all of this up, and it's an area that we need at Blackthorn to develop, and they did. Blackthorn checks for existing contacts, and if not found, it creates the contact. With Blackthorn, we're able to dedupe registrants using all email addresses for contacts. To add to that, we also disregard record ownership. Instead, we track and highlight which Olin departments have an affiliation to each contact. This is determined automatically through declarative definitions based on actions taken by the contact, not taken by an internal user. The next step in the process is tracking attendance. On the day of the event, as folks log in using their personalized link, attendance is captured in Salesforce using Blackthorn. And finally, the process is completed with follow-up. One of the most important areas of follow-up is reporting. Because we capture UTM data during the registration process and canvas for interest in our offerings, our marketing team can track new opportunities that's sourced from advertising and see what percentage matriculate, providing justification for the advertising budget. Did I mention that I work in marketing and communications? This is really important for my manager. Being able to capture the UTM tags was a hard requirement when looking at a new event solution last year. And finally, we look at individual email results. Who's receiving the email, who's opening them, who's clicking on the links. And because we have a unified CRM system, we can view email results across all departments and watch for oversaturation.